What's up, guys? Adam Berg from Reckless Tramp Bikes here to show you a bike check on my most recent tramp bike. Here it is. It's a 2008 Haro H2 that bought off Pink Bike, pinkbike.com. You can find me on there. It's cool as gold. If you're adding me as a friend, you could find some tramp bikes that I'm selling, and if I need parts, I'll let you know. So, back to 08 Haro H2 frame, stock, stem, bars, and it's got a set of fit shiv forks. Yes, nice set of turquoise, greenish ODI grips. Match my gloves. Of course, they don't match my gloves no more because they got dirty. That's Haro. Reverse bar. Whatever.